Hello, I want to give some makeover to my hummus. We all love hummus, right? But after a while it gets boring. So what to do? I'm going to add some chopped olives, cilantro, scallions or chives, some red pepper, and some crushed cumin seeds. Take the desired amount out of the container. Add all the ingredients that you want to add to your hummus. Give it a good mix, like 5-6 times. Mix it, don't overdo it, just mix it good. And here we are with the makeover. In less than 2 minutes you have a hummus that is bursting with flavors, and it's not boring at all. There you go. Please let me know what do you think about this. Subscribe to my channel. Tell me how this tip or trick you will like it, apply it. Let me know, please. And just subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell button so my next tip or trick or my next video of food, whatever I'm doing, will come straight to you and you will be the first ones to know. Thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy my not boring hummus, and I hope you do the same. Thank you. Bye bye.